today I'm show you how to get more view and subscribers on YouTube. Thank you. Please see it.
What's up guys, Ziovo here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to get more views and subscribers and just improve your YouTube channel overall using a tool called TubeBuddy. Now TubeBuddy is a Google Chrome extension which you can easily add to Chrome, and once you install it, it's going to completely change the YouTube layout and it's going to give you access to a bunch of new tools to help improve your channel. So all you have to do to get TubeBuddy is click the link down below and add it to Google Chrome, and once you have it added, all you have to do is sign in. And once you are signed in, you can see on YouTube you're going to have a new button over here, which is the TubeBuddy button. Now TubeBuddy is very easy to use. So as you can see right now, we are on Sir Wheat's channel, and once you click on this TubeBuddy button, you will have access to a bunch of new tools. So the first thing you're going to see is the quick links. Now the quick links are honestly a lifesaver. Basically, they give you really easy access to a bunch of tools on YouTube and a bunch of the settings which are usually hard to get to, so you can easily access your video manager, your comments, your messages, and stuff like that. Now say you don't know how to use TubeBuddy, one thing I really love about it is the fact that there is a setting called on this page, and basically what TubeBuddy tells you is the tools you have access to on the page you're currently on. So right now on this channel page, I have access to these two tools. Now TubeBuddy has so many tools, so it's really good that they implemented this. Now say I don't know how to use a certain tool, all I have to do is click on the actual link and it's going to take me to a video which is going to teach me how to use that certain tool. So the first thing I'm going to be teaching you is how to actually find tags to help make your videos rank higher in the search. So all you have to do is click on the Tag Explorer tool and you can search for absolutely any tag you want. So I can search for maybe GTA 5, click Explore, and it's going to tell me the most used tags and tags that are ranking high in the search. So for example, GTA 5 gameplay games, GTA 5, these tags do very well in the search, so you might want to use them. Now another thing you can do to actually help improve your tags is go on a popular YouTuber's video and then click on their video, and once you scroll down, TubeBuddy is actually going to give you all of their tags right here, and if you want to, you can actually just copy them and then press Ctrl V to paste them into your tags and have those tags in your video as well. Now another very convenient thing about TubeBuddy is actually something called the Channelytics tool. So you can go on literally any channel and click on Channelytics, and then you can actually compare your channel to theirs and compare your views to their views, like you can see in this chart over here. Plus you have access to their social blade, which is very convenient. And if you go into another video and you go into their comments, you can also view a bunch of other stats as well by scrolling down. And you can actually just let it load up first of all, and you're going to see this TubeBuddy logo, and you can just click on it and you can see their subs, views, uploads, you can see their social media links, and you can send them a private message straight through the comment section, which is really nice. Now another way you can actually drive more viewers to your content is by adding the video links to the descriptions of your videos. So what you have to do is just go into your video manager, and once you're on your video manager, you are going to see the TubeBuddy tool load up once again. So I'm just going to wait for it to load up, and there we go. Now all you have to do is click on the top tool and click on Find, Replace, Append. And this tool is honestly so easy to use and it is so effective. Now right now I'm going to show you the Find and Replace tool. So say I have a link to my most recent video at the top of my descriptions and it says, my newest video. Say I want to replace that text in the descriptions of all my videos. Say I want to change the link. All I have to do is click Find Text, put in the old link here, and then put the new link in here, and click Continue, and it is going to change the description of all of my videos at once. I don't have to go through all 150 videos, I can do it at once. Now you can also do other things such as copy annotations. So I'm going to go to a video of mine which has an annotation. Now another way you can get views is actually through annotations, because annotations are a good way to have people cycle through your content, and if someone watches more of your videos, they're going to be more likely and more inclined to subscribe. So one good thing you can do is add annotations to your videos. So I actually have an annotation on this video. You guys can see the annotations right here. Now say I want to copy this annotation to all of my videos. Now I'm not going to go ahead and add it manually. Instead, I can just click on the TubeBuddy tool, go on bulk copy annotations, select the annotation I want to copy, click continue, and then I can add it to all of my videos or my most 50 recent videos. And the thing is, say you want to change all the annotations in all your videos so that it's always going to be your most recent video, you can just delete all existing annotations before you copy it, so it'll replace the old annotation. And through these tools, you have, you know, so many more options to help improve your channel. Like, first of all, you can look for popular tags, you can use other people's popular tags, and then through the annotation tool, you can bulk copy annotations as well as cards. And doing this will allow you to really help your channel and, you know, help it rank higher in the search and have people cycle through your content better. And through this new engagement, you're going to gain more viewers and subscribers. And if you guys want, you can also see all the other tools TubeBuddy has by clicking on tools. And as you can see, they have a bunch of other tools, which I'm not going to be going over all of them, but they have all of the bulk tools. They have optimization tools such as the tag explorer, a channelytics tool. They have a thumbnail generator. They have a bunch of other tools. They have some promotion tools. And honestly, guys, I would recommend you get this if you want to help improve your channel. And I've been using it, and I think it's really, really effective. But yeah, that's about it for this video, guys. Hopefully you did enjoy it. I'm sorry if it was a bit hard to understand me. My voice is a bit sore. I have a sore throat. But if you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching. My name is Ziovo, and I'm signing out.